guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about how Asante Kotoko should line up with the new signing Emmanuel Sarkodie. Now this will work if Asante Kotoko manage to keep Justice Blay, and we'll know how the partnership between Justice Blay and Emmanuel Sarkodie will be in the midfield. So this is how Asante Kotoko will probably line up with Justice Blay and Emmanuel Sarkodie. Now we know Justice Blay is in the defensive midfield position, and the new signing is a central midfielder, and he can pass the ball in different angles. He can pass the ball wherever he is. He can lay the passes. He is very gifted in that area, and he will be very useful to Asante Kotoko. Now, the introduction of Emmanuel Sarkodie to Asante Kotoko midfield will give Mudasiru the chance to roam. If you watch the House of Oak match, and you also watched his other matches, you see that he's very good in the attacking third, and he can give passes and break defensive lines. So he'll be useful, and he can now roam enter the opponent's box because he now has Justice Blay and Emmanuel Sarkodie to cover for him. Now, when it comes to attack, when the opponents are attacking Asante Kotoko, Justice Blay can also come back here. Emmanuel Sarkodie can also come back here. Mudasiru won't come back this far. He can stay here in case of a break in attack, and Asante Kotoko can counter, which means that just Emmanuel Sarkodie can give the pass to him, whilst Mudasiru will either lay the pass to any of these three in the counter attack run. Justice Blay here will a holding defensive midfielder or a holding midfielder. He can once he gets the ball, he can give it to Emmanuel Sarkodie, who can give it to Mudasiru. Mudasiru in the other area can give it to any of these three attacking players in front here. So I feel that the introduction of Emmanuel Sarkodie will bring stability to the Kotoko midfield, and it will give Mudasiru the opportunity to roam. Now, let's say Asante Kotoko couldn't sign Justice Blay. If they failed to sign Justice Blay on a permanent deal, it means that Richard Senano will be the one that will replace him and obviously do the same thing Justice Blay does for Asante Kotoko. He'll be the DM, while Emmanuel Sarkodie will be the CM, and Mudasiru will be given a free role. He can help the defense and the attack whenever he has to. So I feel that whatever it is, Justice Blay staying or leaving, Asante Kotoko will midfield will improve because of the signing of Emmanuel Sarkodie. So I feel that his signing is very crucial, and he can be the answer to Asante Kotoko's problem. So that's all for today. I would like to know your thoughts on this video and your thoughts on this particular tactics, or if you have another theory or way Asante Kotoko can line up. So if you have them, please drop down below. Till next time, guys.